EAM users, you know the pain. You're deep in the daily planning session, everything's lined up, until you realize, oops, we forgot an activity. Or, wait, that description? Totally wrong. And what do you have to do? Save or abort the whole session, go find the work order, make the change, and then reopen the planning session. So much effort for one tiny change. But hey, not anymore. With our little extension, you can edit or add activities on the fly, right inside the planning session. No saving, no quitting, no stress. Just click, update, done. Let's pick a different truck here. Hit update. And just like that, the activity is changed. Hit run, and the activity is updated, just like that. Fast, easy, and no need to break the planning flow. Oh, and here's another cool part. Let's say you want to add a similar activity. Just click on an existing row, and boom, the form gets pre-filled with the details. You just tweak what's needed, hit insert, and that's it. No stress, no extra clicks, just smooth planning magic. And look at that, the activity shows up instantly. Of course, we're assigning it right away, no time to waste. And finally, we save the session. Just once. No back and forth, no 5-step rituals. Plan smart, save once, move on. Like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart EAM tips, tricks, and a little bit of fun along the way. Need something like this in your system too? Hit us up. We've got you covered.